In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect TradingView to MT5 on phone. So it works pretty much the same as it does on your PC or desktop. So all you need to do is simply head over to your trading panel option. So it is available on both the devices. And here you can see we have different options of our different brokers, right? So you can search for your broker, like for example MT5 through the list and connect it. So you can see we have STX. Similarly, we are going to be having MT5 as well. So all you need to do is simply select. So once you do, you can see they do have this option of connecting right away, and that's how easy it is. So the only thing is you can head over to the link in the description to get your $15 bonus once you sign into your platform of TradingView, and it's going to be giving you a huge value. So I hope this helps, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more, and see you around in the next video.